Financial literacy has always been crucial for making informed decisions about money. However, in the digital age, the landscape of financial literacy is evolving rapidly due to technological advancements, the proliferation of digital tools, and new financial products. This transformation presents both opportunities and challenges for individuals seeking to enhance their financial knowledge and skills. Understanding how to navigate this digital environment is essential for achieving financial well-being and making sound financial decisions. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy encompasses understanding fundamental financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, plan for the future, and avoid common financial pitfalls. As financial products and services become increasingly complex, having a solid foundation in financial literacy is more important than ever. Empowerment and decision-making. Financial literacy equips individuals with the knowledge to make informed choices about their finances. It helps people understand the implications of their decisions, whether they are choosing a credit card, investing in stocks, or planning for retirement. By being financially literate, individuals can better manage their resources, avoid unnecessary debt, and work towards their financial goals. Economic participation and security. Financial literacy contributes to economic participation and security by enabling individuals to engage effectively with the financial system. It supports responsible financial behavior, such as saving for emergencies, investing for the future, and protecting oneself from fraud. Financially literate individuals are better equipped to navigate economic uncertainties and secure their financial futures. The digital transformation of financial literacy. The rise of digital technology has transformed how individuals access and engage with financial information. Digital tools and platforms have made it easier for people to educate themselves about financial matters, but they also present new challenges in terms of navigating information overload and ensuring accuracy. Online resources and educational platforms. The Internet offers a wealth of resources for learning about personal finance. Websites, blogs, and online courses provide information on a wide range of financial topics, from basic budgeting to advanced investment strategies. Platforms such as Coursera, Khan Academy, and Udemy offer courses on financial literacy that cater to various levels of expertise. These resources make financial education more accessible and convenient for individuals seeking to improve their financial knowledge. Mobile apps and financial tools. Mobile apps have revolutionized financial management by providing tools for budgeting, tracking expenses, and investing. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital help users manage their finances, set goals, and monitor their spending. Investment platforms such as Robinhood and Acorns make investing more accessible by allowing users to trade stocks and invest with minimal barriers. These digital tools empower individuals to take control of their finances and make informed decisions. Social media and influences. Social media has become a significant source of financial information and advice. Financial influencers and experts share tips, insights, and educational content through platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. While this content can be valuable, it is important for users to critically evaluate the credibility of the sources and verify the accuracy of the information. Social media can also contribute to misinformation and hype, which can lead to poor financial decisions if not approached with caution. Challenges in financial literacy. Despite the advantages of digital tools, several challenges remain in improving financial literacy in the digital age. Information overload and misinformation. The vast amount of information available online can be overwhelming, and not all sources are reliable. Individuals may struggle to discern credible information from misinformation or biased content. Financial advice that is not tailored to an individual's specific situation can lead to misguided decisions. It is essential for individuals to develop critical thinking skills and seek information from reputable sources to navigate the digital landscape effectively. Digital divide and access. Not everyone has equal access to digital tools and resources. The digital divide, which refers to the gap between those who have access to technology and those who do not, can exacerbate inequalities in financial literacy. Individuals without reliable internet access or digital devices may face challenges in accessing financial education and tools. Addressing this divide is crucial for ensuring that financial literacy efforts reach all segments of the population. Complexity of financial products. The complexity of modern financial products and services can be daunting. New investment vehicles, cryptocurrencies, and digital payment systems introduce additional layers of complexity. Individuals must navigate a rapidly changing financial landscape and understand the risks and benefits associated with these products. Financial education must evolve to address the complexities of new financial innovations and help individuals make informed choices. Strategies for improving financial literacy. To enhance financial literacy in the digital age, several strategies can be employed to address the challenges and leverage the opportunities presented by technology. Promoting digital financial education. Educational institutions and organizations can play a key role in promoting digital financial education. Incorporating financial literacy into school curriculums and providing online resources for students and adults can help build a strong foundation in personal finance. Partnerships with fintech companies and educational platforms can facilitate the development of engaging and interactive learning experiences. Encouraging critical thinking and media literacy. Developing critical thinking and media literacy skills is essential for navigating the digital information landscape. Individuals should be encouraged to evaluate the credibility of sources, verify information, and be cautious of potential biases. Financial literacy programs can include components that teach users how to assess the quality of financial advice and identify reliable sources of information. Leveraging technology for accessibility. Technology can be leveraged to enhance accessibility to financial education. Online platforms and mobile apps can offer tailored financial education programs and resources to underserved communities. Efforts to bridge the digital divide, such as providing internet access and digital devices to low-income individuals, can help ensure that financial literacy efforts are inclusive and equitable. Fostering collaboration and support. Collaboration between financial institutions, educational organizations, and fintech companies can drive innovation in financial literacy. Initiatives that bring together stakeholders to develop and promote financial education resources can create a more comprehensive and effective approach. Community-based programs and support networks can also provide personalized guidance and assistance to individuals seeking to improve their financial literacy. The future of financial literacy. As technology continues to advance, the future of financial literacy will likely involve further integration of digital tools and personalized learning experiences. Personalized financial education. Advancements in data analytics and AI will enable the development of personalized financial education experiences. Tailored recommendations and interactive learning platforms can address individual needs and preferences, providing targeted guidance on financial topics. Personalized financial education will help users make informed decisions and improve their financial well-being. Integration of financial education into daily life. Financial education is likely to become more integrated into daily life through digital tools and platforms. As financial apps and services become more sophisticated, they may offer educational content and insights within the context of users' financial activities. This integration can provide timely and relevant information, making financial education a natural part of managing finances. Evolving financial products and services. The evolution of financial products and services will continue to shape the landscape of financial literacy. As new innovations emerge, financial education will need to adapt to address the risks and opportunities associated with these developments. Staying informed about the latest trends and understanding their implications will be crucial for making sound financial decisions. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.